Hey guys, let's make a crème brûlée croissant. That's gonna be really delicious. So, this is my crème brûlée. I will put the link to the tutorial for the crème brûlée recipe. Alright, so let's caramelize our crème brûlée. Now it's cold. Demerara sugar on top. A good layer, yeah? The even layer. Let's touch it. So obviously we want a crème brûlée flavor, that's why I'm caramelizing it and mix it with the whipped cream. Of course it will be caramelized on top of the croissant as well. I really want that crème brûlée flavor in the inside. And the whipped cream, which we're gonna add in it, is not sweetened, so the inside will be not too sweet either, so that's good. Okay, so let's take 500 grams of it. Oh yes, I left the vanilla pod in it for extra infusing. There you go. Little tasty test. Crème brûlée is good, right? Right. Fabulous. Whisk. Okay, let's break up all that caramel pieces. So it creates like a custard already. Do we want gelatin leaves? I want it to be a bit runny, but not too runny. No, just let's add the cream. So that's 200 grams of whipped cream for 500 grams of crème brûlée. Let's see. Yeah, you got beautiful flavor of crème brûlée. It's very light and moussey. Let's reserve it in the fridge until our croissants are finished baking. Okay, so it's time to garnish our croissant with the crème brûlée. So I'm just gonna poke a hole on each side of the croissant and make space for the cream. I got some sticky glaze just to put on the top of the croissant. So I can stick some Demerara sugar. Yeah. All over it, so we can torch it now to caramelize it. If you don't have a glaze, you can use a tiny bit of jam or a very thick sticky syrup just to stick the Demerara sugar already. Let's caramelize them now. Alright, let's finish those beauties. The cream is nicely set from the fridge. Oh, look, you still have the piece of caramel. Can you see? Still a bit of crunch and melting through that mousse. Let's fill it up. When you feel it's nice and heavy, it's filled. Little bit of icing sugar on the edge. Let's cut one. Wow, delicious. Cheers, guys! I bet that's gonna be messy. It is messy. Mm. Mm. Oh my god. You have a caramel, vanilla flavor, crunch, creamy. That works so well. Oh my god, look at the mess. So messy. So good though. Mmm. Enjoy.